Hi and welcome you all to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. Today I am going to show you very interesting thing. This is called as dynamic face greeting card. You see this face? He's puzzled now. What I am going to show? I will show you one thing. His face is changed to crying sort of face because I told him that I will not show you anything. But is it like that? No, I always used to show you very interesting things. So this face changed to a happy face. So how you can make this card so that it can dynamically change the faces very easily. So this is the way we are going to learn how dynamic card can be created. So let's begin. So for making this card of dynamic faces, I am using this standard craft paper. This particular one is of 22 cm by 28 cm. Scissor, cutter, sketch pens for decoration. I am using this bottle cap for making a round circle and scale. So let's start. First let's make this paper into perfect square size paper. So make your standard fold this way. And simply cut it across. So we are now with square size paper and we are having this one fold which is from inside. So let's make another fold on opposite side, diagonal fold. So these two diagonal folds are from inside. Just turn the paper around and make opposite side folds. One on this side and other on other side. Then we have to fold this sides inside like this, all four corners. So we have folded all four corners. Now just open it up. Now fold these two sides inside. Now just turn it around, so that your diagonal edges are inside this way and this way. Now fold this side. Fold opposite side, aligning it to center line of the paper. Open these folds. Now same folds on this side. And on opposite side. So your paper is having so many folds now. Now this last fold we will keep it like this. Okay. Now just remember how to fold particular fold on this corner piece. Now lift this paper from here and use these diagonal margins, small diagonal margins, and open up paper like this up to here. Then we have to press, open up like this. Then we have to press this center rib down to completely at the center. Then press these two ribs to the bottom and put it flat this way. So it should form a square. Let's see for other side. Again same thing. Use these two ribs, diagonal ribs, and lift the paper from center up to these ribs completely this way. Then push this center portion up to this corner like this, and then these two ribs are to be pointed to base of this like this, so that this will get settled as a square piece here, two square piece here. So we are having this shape this side as well as this side, right? Now our job is to check our folds, align them properly. We are having this shape which is having these diagonal folds, and we will be making use of these diagonal folds like this. So fold it diagonally, press it, fold this side diagonally, press it. So you are having these two folds on either side, from this side and this side. Same way this fold is also on either side. So press it this way as well as press it this way. Same way these folds are also from both sides, so press it this way as well as press it this way. This fold also, press it this way and this way. So for the current position, see to it that this is foldable from both sides and this surface is up. Same way this is foldable from both sides and this surface is up. Same is for this side, foldable from both sides, this surface is up, foldable for both sides, this surface is up. Now we have to make our smiley faces which will act dynamically on this particular card. So for that purpose I am making use of this bottle cap. So I am placing this bottle cap over the surface, making use of a sketch pen and making a round around it. Right, now let's color this picture with smiley face. So for this particular surface, what we will do is this is the kind of face. Now let's change on this top side, same way on from this side and this side. Now you got another surface, make another circle here. Let's draw again face here. This time we will give different shape. Let's make it as a smiley face. Now let's change another surface. So we have created this one. We have already created this one on this side. So let's pull up one more surface what we are having this side as well as from this side. Let's make another shape here. So what we have done is we have created 3 different moods on 3 different surfaces. Now you can see this is very interesting. Right now you are seeing this face, just change it, flip it, you can have different mood, just change it, you can have still different mood. Likewise you change it this way, you change it this way, you can change it this way, you can change it another way or another way, and you will get different combinations of changing faces. It's a dynamic card which changes the moods of its faces very dynamically, and it's very interesting. It's not only these faces, but you can make different kinds of drawings and different kinds of creations so as to change those creations with just these folds dynamically. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, click on like button and send me your comments. Also share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and ask your friends to subscribe also. And don't forget to click on hit button so that you will get the intimation of my upcoming videos. So keep watching. Bye.